What's up, guys? JT over at Team FAS Motorsports, and our Pro R Ultimate is finally here. Pretty excited. Got here last week. Obviously we've ridden it, it's dirt on it, and we've already hosed it off once, so it's pretty much broken in my book. So we ordered it back in November. Traded our Pro XP Ultimate in for this new shop car. Whole different animal as far as the way its power is delivered and just how it runs. Obviously there's a million YouTube videos with specs, so we're going to kind of walk through some of the upgrades that we're going to be doing here, and obviously everything on the machine are items that we sell here at Team FAS Motorsports. Before we get into that, if you guys could go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you do have questions on any of the products that we're going to mention, or for any upgrades for your machine, definitely go ahead and drop us a comment. So we'll start here in the front. First thing, decent tire from the factory. Could have a little bit more grip. These are pretty shallow as far as tread depth, so we're going to be definitely upgrading those, either to the new Moto Ravage, maybe some System 3 XCR 350s, or K9s, which we had on the last on our Pro XP. We're going to be doing that. Some auxiliary lighting. We're definitely going to put some extra lighting down here on the bumper. We're going to be doing a Corbin Street Legal turn signal kit, because this is Montana Street Legal. We did the windshield and the wiper from Polaris. Possibly some A-arm guards. Spike is going to be providing us with some fender flares, so we'll put those in there, and that also comes back, fills in this hole here on the rear, and just gives some overall good protection, because this thing being so much wider than our Pro XP, we got filthy in that, and then this thing's just going to cover us. So we'll definitely be doing that. Up here we'll be adding some guards to the inside and the outside of the intake vents. Around the front here we'll be doing the grill inserts. Not sure which ones we're going to go with yet. Down bottom we'll be adding some sliders to keep that from breaking. Hopefully Polaris will be coming out with the upper door kit. Around the back, definitely be going with an exhaust, full exhaust system whenever that comes out. NRP is going to be doing some nice arched radius rods, as well as some sway bar links for us, so I'm pretty excited about those. Back here in the bed we are installing the Polaris brand cooler mounts with the Polaris cooler, rear windshield, and then we'll go ahead and look at the inside. So on the inside here, we do have the SSV Works kicker speakers that we're going to be putting in. PRP center bag, PRP console insert for here, and then these really nice. Obviously this you could possibly bang your shoulder on, bang your elbows on this, but these PRPs just came out. They're protectors, and these go right in here, so that'll cover up that all nice, and keep you in the seat a little bit better as well. It's already got the harnesses, so hopefully someone comes out with some roof storage like that. We had a PRP roof storage bag on our other one, and we fit tons of stuff up there, so hopefully they'll be coming out with something for that. And besides that, at the moment, that's pretty much everything I think we're going to be doing to it. Possibly a rear bumper down the road if we find something that looks pretty cool. But those are pretty much the things that we're going to be upgrading on the vehicle, and possibly some A-arm guards maybe, and definitely going to be putting trailing arm guards. That's another thing we're going to be doing. Trailing arm guards in the rear. Our other ones took quite a beating between riding the East Coast trails here and then the winters in Glamis out in California. They took quite a beating, so that's what we'll be doing there. Wheels, I believe we're going to be going with some Alba wheels on this, definitely for our paddles. We're very happy with that setup. Super light, super strong wheel, and pretty much that's it for now. Hopefully we'll get some ride footage for you this weekend, and we'll go from there. So we'll be doing all the install videos, so you guys keep track of the build. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and definitely drop us any comments or questions down below. Thanks for watching.